If you start your day feeling tired and achy, I've got just the thing. Join me as we recharge from head to toe with a gentle yoga practice you can do anywhere in a chair. It's the perfect way to start your day or use any time you need an extra boost of energy. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Step your feet into a wide stance. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm overhead. Sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh, repeating on the opposite side. Continue moving at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine, shoulders, arms, and side body. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Moving into another lateral stretch variation. Alternate reaching one arm down your leg and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing with this movement, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your side body. Pausing at center, open your arms wide, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale at center with your arms open wide. Exhale, gently twist. Reaching opposite hand to leg, keeping your spine long and your core engaged, moving through your own range of motion. Pausing in upright with your arms open wide, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg and your right arm open to the sky, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, open your arms wide, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, and your left arm open to the sky, gently twisting from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and step your feet back to center. Reach your arms overhead. Interlace your fingers and press your palms away. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving through your own range of motion. Pausing at the top, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Pausing at the top, moving into a seated twist. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine, arms reaching overhead. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, pause to the right with your left hand to your right leg and your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, twist to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Unwind and return to center, moving into a forward bend variation. Extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, gently folding forward. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift your torso to upright, re-lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, contracting through your quadriceps, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into a reverse plank position variation, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend, opening through your front body. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Slowly release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation with your hands to the seat of your chair. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, allowing this movement to create more space and ease through your arms, neck, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. Continue here or cross your right leg over your left, gently pressing your left arm into your right leg, using it as added leverage, aiding your left side body in coming around to the right, deepening this twist. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, twist to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Continue here or cross your left leg over your right, gently pressing your right arm into your left leg, using it as added leverage, deepening this twist. Unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.